So here's something I've needed to do for a long time. That is clean the bolt carrier and my AR-15 in general. Just totally nasty. So I've been cleaning it up, and now I'm right here to this part. Look at this. See if I can get this to zoom in, man. This thing's just full of years of crap from firing it without cleaning it. Look at that. Damn. Nasty like a Chevy. I gotta clean that up. Make it sparkling clean and functional like a Ford. It'd actually be a little better. Actually, I had to take the wire wheel to that bastard. That was bad. It looked like the backside of a intake valve or something, you know, after years of operation. So, just got a little more cleaning to do, and then I'm gonna put that back together. But yeah, basically what I'm doing this Saturday morning, clean one of my firearms that's been long neglected. Very irresponsible to leave it in that way, especially given the climate of our situation in this country. You never know when you're going to have to count on such a important device. All right, I didn't do a step-by-step on this, and there's plenty of videos on that, but my point was just that I have had this gun for over a decade, and I've only cleaned it a few times, so that was neglect. So she is ready to roll. She is ready to get down. She is ready to drop the hammer. Yeah, just having fun with you guys, but seriously, I did need to clean it. It was irresponsible to have a firearm in that condition. Just not ready to go. So, one of many. But you know, this is the so scary one in America because it has black plastic on it and everything. But you know, realistically, the most practical firearm is my pistol grip shotgun that I have for in the house. This is for when the shit hits the fan.